Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Paritosh Kumar. Today I am going to explain TPM Autonomous Maintenance. First pillar Kaizen we have already done. Today we will discuss to the second pillar Autonomous Maintenance. So its definition as a maintenance strategy where machine operators regularly monitor their equipment, make adjustment, perform minor and routine maintenance tasks on their machines. In autonomous maintenance, we have two core principles. The first one is to prevent from deterioration, and second, maintain new-like status. In TPM autonomous maintenance, we have four terminology like cleaning, inspection, lubrication, and tightening. In the steps there are 7, but we are adding one more, that is 0. So 0 is the 5S. Among them 2S, 3S is much more important, but 5S all is foundation of the TPM pillar. Without 5S, no any pillar of TPM will stand. So in all status, the first thing is to maintain 5S. Starting with the pillar AM step 1, that is initial cleaning. Initial cleaning starts with the 5S activity, and after that the purpose of AM step 1 is to find out hard to clean, hard to inspect, hard to lubricate, and hard to tightening. First, the fifth one I am adding from our side, that is the hard to adjust, like reflecting sensor, the tension belts, something I have to adjust left, right, or up and down. So if something is difficult to adjust, then it should be identified, and in the next step we have to find out the AM step countermeasure. Countermeasure against source of contamination. Make approach easy for cleaning, inspection, lubrication, and retightening. Make easy to do CILRT, shorten cleaning and lubrication time, ranking the priority for places for daily cleaning. In step 3, what we have taken the countermeasure, we have to make a tentative maintenance or schedule maintenance plan, and all this tentative plan we must have to improve the skill in AM step 4 to follow that whatever we have decided, whatever is our study, that is improving the machine performance or making the keep the maintenance machine like a new status. In AM step 5, what we do is the autonomous checking of machine. So here whatever we have made and improve our skill and maintain the machine like that. So based on that analysis, we have to now define definite formula, definite chart, definite schedule. So it says like formulate definitive cleaning, lubrication, inspection, and tightening standards that can be followed efficiently. Drop autonomous inspection checklist and make sure put them into use. So after making this definite lubrication, inspection, cleaning, and this tightening schedule and chart, we have to make the checklist, and checklist must be recorded. This is the much more important, that every operator on the machine and the shop floor, they know everything, but there is no checklist, so they are not visiting it regularly. In AM6, standard procedure and workplace. Here in the factory, there are 4 activities which is regularly coming, like we are taking material from the store, converting it, and then FG is given to the warehouse. So in all this stage, there must be recording. So material movement must be recorded with a standard procedure. It's not like today and tomorrow there should be some different procedure. So whatever we have defined, that must be followed regularly. Second thing, data recording for all stages, like control of molds and other changeover parts, change over spare parts, change of spare parts, and mold and their spares must be flow have the record and period of record, that how many months the one spare part is going. In the step 7, we have 2 things to consider. First is the core principle of autonomous maintenance in line with the core principle of the company. So roll out whatever the standard we have made and whatever the procedure we have following, that must be continue, and every step there should be regular inspection and then meeting to decide this, and all the stakeholder must be agree that we are going to make this change, and that should be followed with the follow-up. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we will come back with the next step. So I will also go through YY analysis. So keep tuning.